Well, it's so important to be here. A launch of Black History Month, which is now, of course, all year, 365. We're so delighted that Race Council Cymru have taken this forward in this way, because this is an important time when we seek to implement Wales Anti-Racist Wales Action Plan and make Wales anti-racist, truly anti-racist by 2030. That means everybody has a part to play.
Thank you everybody for coming and celebrating Black History Month with us.
Tell your children the truth. Tell them to believe our ancestors, because they are the only ones who can intercede with the Creator in our favor. Tell them not to hate the other when they found out the truth of a falsified story, but to forgive. We have to tell our children the truth, because it is the only way to overturn the vapor of psychological domination of other races over ours. Our skin color is not a charm. It is, in fact, our identity.
Say one love, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel. Oh, it's a one love, one love. It's a one love. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One love. So when the one comes, there will be no doom. One have pity on those whose chances grow thinner. They know how to blaze from the Father of creation. One love, one love. I said one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. We say one love.
Got a good one, but I keep on fishing. Wish I never had no feelings. Hacked on my heart, my palms are slipping. Don't put puppies with kittens. Yeah, this is not cool feelings. I'm hurting inside, I feel finished. Broken hearts in women, and them moving wicked. Getaway holiday tickets, now music, more pictures. I love you from a distance. If you come close, then I'm distant. We both have toxic traits. This ain't rare. What can I say? Most Daniels or Ray. Tonight I'm changing my name. Yo, I wanna escape it. Say it with me. I want it. What? I want it. Yeah. Something right. I want to escape. Yo, I want it. Something right. I want it. Yo, I want to escape it. It changed my life. More models, more honesty. Strip club at the economy. Lap dances don't follow me. This can't be a part of the prophecy. My ex is number, I'm falling. I feel so high, I'm falling. If you don't ask, I still feel awesome. At least I have to wake up awkward. She told me she wants to marry me. She must not know I just got the force. More drink, more sober thoughts. These feelings I've never felt before. I can't believe Sandra's popping pills. She's studying to be a pharmacist, so I guess she knows how that feels. What? Say me. Yo, I want to escape it. Yo, suffocate right. I want to escape it. And change my life. I want to escape it.